Alright, in problem number 17, it says figure ABCDE is similar to figure VWXYZ. It asks us, it says which proportion must be true. And I want you to keep in mind that when we're setting up a proportion, what we would like to do is we would like to keep everything for shape 1 on top and everything for shape 2 on bottom. And when we have shape 1 and shape 2, these should be similar sides. In other words, whatever this value is for shape 1, whatever section it is on this shape, should be of a similar section on the other shape. They should have a relationship. So let's take a look at the first one. For A, we have AE. I'm going to go ahead and highlight that with some little marks here. It says over XY. Okay, over XY. Now I can already see a problem because AE is the left side of this shape and then XY is the right side of the shape. So that's impossible. We can't, they do not have a relationship. Now if it would have said AE over VZ, then it would have been okay. But we can automatically rule A out because of that. The next one, we have AB. So I'm going to go ahead and mark it. We have AB over VW. Okay, over VW. So far we're looking good, right? We have this top left side, we have this top left side. This part checks out. Then is equal to YZ over DE. So equals YZ. So remember, our top number up here on top should be from shape 1. But if you look, YZ is actually from shape number 2. So we have shape 1 on top here and shape 2 on top here. We can't do that. They have to be lined up. So we can go ahead and say B is not a possibility. Then we can look at the next. We have BC. So BC, I'm going to go ahead and put a mark right here. There's BC over XY. So BC over XY. If you look, this is the inside top portion, and this is an edge on the outside. So they don't match up. It should be BC and WX. So C is not a possibility. So therefore we know D is going to have to be the correct answer. But just to make sure, so we can match these up, I'm going to erase these marks real quick, and we're going to look over it and see if that last one makes sense. Just like I had showed you to set up the proportion over here at the bottom, where everything for shape 1 is on the top in the numerator and everything for shape 2 is in the denominator. And then when we have one side of the equation, they are similar parts of the shape, and the other side, they are similar parts of that shape. So we have AB over VW. So here's AB over VW. If you notice, they match up. These are similar sides of the shape. Then we have is equal to CD over X1. Once again, we start out with shape number 1, and it's CD, and then it's XY. Again, they are similar shapes, so they match up. And we have shape 1 is on both the numerators, and shape 2 are both the denominators. Therefore, D is the correct answer.